Morning everybody, welcome to another video. I'm out in East London again. Obviously we're still in the lockdown, so unfortunately there's no wild camps happening, but where I can, I'm getting out, doing the odd review video, getting out into the woods, little walks, just getting out into the outdoors really. So it's just a short video today. As you can see, got a little fire going in the firebox in some local woods, and the plan is to cook up a little bit of breakfast, nice little coffee, and then I'm going to do a few shout outs. So let's get this breakfast on. An absolutely delicious breakfast, simple but tasty. It's not actually that cold here in London this morning. It's probably about 11 degrees, so not too bad. Just came out with the fleece on, didn't even bother with the coat. I thoroughly recommend spam and eggs. It's a really quick way of having a cooked breakfast when you're out and about. I'm using a titanium Nature Hike frying pan, so it conducts the heat really quickly. The oil heats up quickly. And then the spam, you pretty much just have to heat it through and just give it a quick cook, nothing major. And of course the egg cooks really quickly, so call it a 5-minute fry up really, just instant, brilliant. I'm sorry about the noise in the background, guys. Seems to be some maintenance going on in some fields near to these woods. It's like a generator that's been on all night. I think it's time to get a coffee on, guys. I've got my list of the people that I want to shout out in this video, but I'm going to do it slightly differently because I'm actually going to start off with the subscribers. I'm going to talk about some channels, but I think it's really important to shout out subscribers, especially the subscribers that have been with me from the very beginning. And I'm so grateful for the people that found my channel in those early days and they subscribed and they stuck with me and they support me and they comment on nearly every video. And I know I said it before, but it really genuinely means so much. It makes it all worth it, and I really appreciate it. So without further ado, I'm going to go through the list. So a big thank you to the originals, the original subscribers. So we've got Morrislouise Eagle, thank you Louise. Timinny, legend, always love the conversations with you. Paul from Paul's Bushcraft Hiking and Camping, so he's one of the subscribers, also has a channel as well. He's stuck with me from the very beginning and I really appreciate it, Paul. We got John P up there in Liverpool. Thanks John, really appreciate all the kind words and all the views and the comments. Thanks for sticking with me. And then we're going over to Northern Ireland, to Derek in Northern Ireland. Thank you so much Derek, thanks for the little things you've sent to me and your support over the last couple of years, really appreciate it. And also Ensate, I think Ensate you're in Scotland. Tell me if I'm wrong about that, but I think you're in Scotland. And thank you too for all your support over the last couple of years. So on to channels, and I want to give a shout out mainly to new channels or channels with sort of lower numbers of subscribers. And I want to start off with Simon Edwards. So Simon, I believe, is from Yorkshire, and he started his channel a short while ago, and he's putting together some good content, and he's going to some really good destinations. He did a video recently in his Hillyberg, I think, up in Yorkshire in some terrible weather. I do love a terrible weather video, so that was good. So do check out Simon Edwards. I'll put the links to all of these in the video description. We've got another Paul Butler. He's called Paul Butler High Wycombe Wanderer. Great guy, just started out YouTubing. He likes hiking, he likes testing out gear, and he's got a nice, very relaxed style, very down to earth guy. So please do check out Paul Butler High Wycombe Wanderer. And the last one is Hiking with Rosy, and this is Mark. And again, another very chilled out guy, very relaxing. He's not trying to be a YouTube celebrity or anything like that. He's just himself, which is what I like. I really like watching YouTube channels where people are just themselves, are just genuine, down to earth, and very watchable. And he knows a lot as well. He's got a lot of knowledge that's worth sharing and learning from. So do check out Hiking with Rosy. Finally, I've just got a congratulations to my friend Lance. I've given him a shout out before, but he's just hit 100 subscribers. I remember what that felt like. It's just a real achievement. I mean, that is a real achievement. 100 subscribers is really great. And well done to Lance. And if you want to check out his channel, that's Lance Into Wild Camping. Again, similar to Hiking with Rosy, he is just really experienced. He's been doing it for years. Got lots of knowledge, lots of skills, really worth watching and picking up tips from. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you've liked it, you might want to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't liked it, you might want to give it a thumbs down. It helps either way. Do feel free to comment, let me know what you're thinking. If you're not a subscriber and you've liked the video today and you'd be interested in notifications for any future uploads, then please do feel free to hit the subscriber button. But if you do that, don't forget to hit the little bell and you get all the notifications that you need. Please take care of yourselves, guys. These are really, really challenging times. It's getting into winter, it's a bit depressing, but please do look after yourselves. Carve out time for you, look after you, and take one day at a time. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next one.